Agricultural equipment is often large and complex. Products can contain many thousands of components that all need to work together in harmony. Let's take a look at how Solidworks helps thousands of companies develop solutions to cultivate the resources needed to bring your favourite beer from farm to glass. Solidworks provides all the tools you need to get your designs right first time, every time, from complex mechanisms to simple assemblies. Solidworks gives you early insight into how your ideas can fit together in reality. The accurate design of sheet metal components is critical to many products, and Solidworks has your back. Standard walls and hems are simple to create, along with library features such as louvers and vents. Solidworks automatically creates accurate flat patterns, meaning you can get parts manufactured fast. Welded structures are a breeze with Solidworks. Libraries of industry standard profiles can be used to quickly build up frames and supports. Solidworks adds the profiles as you go, automatically keeping corner treatments accurate and recording material cut lists. Other equipment such as end caps and gussets are just as simple to include. The familiar Solidworks workflow gets the job done quickly and easily. Building assemblies is easy. Components can be snapped together with a minimum of fuss while mimicking real-life behaviour. The Solidworks Toolbox contains standard hardware such as nuts, bolts and washers. These automatically resize based on standards to fit the application, a great time saver. Validating the performance of your products early in the design cycle is a clear winner in today's competitive markets. Solidworks has comprehensive tools to check real-life motion and interference, building confidence in your designs and helping you get quality products to market first. 2D drawings are still the primary way that design information is communicated to the supply chain. Solidworks provides industry-leading capabilities to get the job done fast, straight from the 3D model. Accurate bills of materials and balloons help manufacturing get the message, shortening project timescales and improving quality. So, the next time you look down at the bottom of an empty glass, just remember how much innovation and passion has gone into your enjoyment. Powered, of course, by Solidworks.